Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your PC has been feeling slow, cluttered, or just not performing like it used to, then you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at Glary Utilities Pro, a powerful all-in-one tool designed to clean, optimize, and boost your computer's performance. So what exactly makes Glary Utilities Pro stand out? First of all, it comes with a one-click maintenance feature. Yes, just one click, and it can clean junk files, fix registry issues, remove spyware, and optimize your system automatically. Super convenient, especially if you don't want to deal with complicated settings. Another thing I really like is the advanced cleaning tools. You can deep clean temporary files, manage startup programs to speed up boot time, and even uninstall stubborn software that refuses to go away. It also includes privacy protection features, which help erase your browsing traces and keep your personal data safe. That's a big plus in today's digital world. And for those of you who like control, Glary Utilities Pro offers over 20+ system tools, from disk repair to memory optimization, all packed into one lightweight application. In terms of performance, it's fast, easy to use, and beginner-friendly. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can still optimize your PC without any hassle. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Glary Utilities Pro before, or do you use another PC optimizer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep your PC running fast.